afternoon sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Ginoong Jonathan Alindaw, nakatira sa Barangay Dianis, San Juan, Southern Leyte. I hope that you will be cooperative to us, not only to us, and only to my, also to my co-demonstrator. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon is about fundamental operation of integers. The addition and subtraction of integers can be explained by using the number line. Buti pasabot sa ni, ang addition and subtraction of integers will be explained by number line. For example, number kira nga, katawa ka. This is the subtraction of the addition of subtraction of integers can be explained by using the number line. All numbers to the right of x-axis is positive and to the left is negative, and above the y-axis is positive and below is negative. I have here an example. This is the definition of addition of integers. Remember, the sum of two opposite numbers is a positive number. The sum of two negative numbers is a negative number. And the sum of a positive and negative numbers is the difference between their absolute values, and the sign of some follows the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. For example, negative 9 plus positive 12 equals positive 3. Ngano?
Minus.
Positive times positive equals positive 12. Tapos, negative 9 of positive 12 equals positive 3. If the sign is, if the greater number is, if the greater number, kung ang kaning asa dako nilang number ang sign ani amoy sundugon nindo, Number 2, negative 14 plus positive 16 equals negative 8 kay negative 8 kay dako man ang negative 14 da gamay man ang 6. Basta unlike sign dyan i-minus na nindo. Positive 20 plus negative 11 equals positive 9. Kani positive times negative 11 magawas na ni negative 11. Unlike sign dyan kapino ni mo ang negative, always negative dyan na negative ba ni negative positive 20 and negative 11 equals positive 9 dako man ang 20. Kapino ninyo basta addition gani dako gani ang sign sa number mo kapino ninyo ang kuan ang sign sa dako nga number. Pero kung subtraction gani ay kanang multiplication gani kung unlike side sa din para sa sign negative jud na. Pero kung negative unsa multiplication positive ang kuan. Number 4, positive 4 plus negative 10 equals negative 6. Dako man ang negative 10. Diri na punta sa subtraction of integers. Definition is to find the difference between two signed numbers. Add the additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend. Example. What number when added to negative 4 will result in positive 9? In symbols, money, negative 4 plus n equals positive 9. Wherein positive 9 minus, open parenthesis, minus negative 4 plus parenthesis equals n. Negative 4 times money, negative times negative 4 ang result na positive 4. Positive naman positive 9 positive 4 equals 13. Positive 13 para sa mga nagsign. Okay, if in case it's gani more than two added with different signs, add all numbers with the same sign and then add the four results. Example, positive 7 plus negative 3 plus positive 4. Paano ang part of sign paano combine? Positive 7 plus positive 4 plus negative 3. Positive 7 plus positive 4.
Positive 11.
Copy negative 3. Positive 11 plus negative 3.
Equals
Positive 8. Kay negative 3 o positive 11 kay paman minus ba nimo? Dako man ang sign ng positive 11. Mao ng positive 8. Dire number 2, negative 10 plus positive 5 plus negative 11. Combine niya po nimo ang para po unlike sign. Negative 10 o negative 7 ang unlike sign direct. Negative 10 plus negative 7 plus positive 5. Negative 10 plus negative 7.
Negative 17.
Nga man na negative 17 ang like. Okay. Positive o negative 7 is imo time ang result negative 7. Negative 10 o negative 7 ang result ana negative 17 kay addition naman siya. Copy positive 5. Ang negative 7 o positive 5 ang like sign na sila minus nito. copy the greater sign, the negative 17. That's why negative 12. And that's all. Thank you. I hope any clarification or mga katanungan. Yung hindi nyo nalalaman, sino na naglibog ba? Kayo, na sabot mo? Sabot mo? Okay, kung wala na yung mga tana, mga tao, thank you.